Meet the legendary Suzuki Hayabusa 2026, a machine that continues to dominate the superbike world with its iconic design, powerful performance, and unmatched road presence. In this stunning orange and black color combination, the Hayabusa looks more aggressive and premium than ever before, turning heads wherever it goes. The 2026 model carries forward the legacy of speed and stability. It is powered by a 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that produces around 190 horsepower, delivering smooth yet explosive acceleration. Whether you're riding on highways or city roads, this bike ensures a thrilling experience with complete control. The advanced electronic system includes ride modes, traction control, launch control, and a bidirectional quick shifter, making every ride smarter and safer. The design of the Hayabusa is inspired by aerodynamics, with a sleek front fairing, sharp LED headlights, and a wind tunnel-tested body that reduces drag and enhances stability at high speeds. The orange and black color scheme adds a bold and sporty vibe, making it stand out from other superbikes. The comfortable seat and ergonomic riding position ensure that even long rides feel smooth and less tiring. In terms of features, the 2026 Hayabusa comes with a fully digital TFT display combined with analog-style elements, giving it a modern yet classic touch. It also includes cruise control, advanced braking system with dual disc brakes and ABS, and high-performance suspension for better handling on different road conditions. When it comes to price in the United States, the starting price of the 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa is expected to be around $19,500 to $21,000 depending on the variant and optional features. This price makes it a competitive option in the superbike segment considering the performance and technology it offers. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa is not just a motorcycle, it is a symbol of speed, power, and style. With its bold orange and black look, cutting-edge features, and legendary performance, it continues to be one of the most desirable superbikes in the world. If you are a true bike enthusiast looking for a combination of luxury and performance, the Hayabusa 2026 is definitely worth considering.